নববর্ষের অনেক অনেক শুভেচ্ছা. Welcome to my channel once again. Today I am going to show you how to draw this beautiful portrait step by step. But one tragedy happened with me when I have started this portrait. All of a sudden color falls on my drawing like this. Oh my god, what I have done. Let's see whether I can repair it or not. If you are new to my channel, before I start the video I should let you know who I am. So hi, I am Sutapa Ghosh and this is my channel Draw with Sutapa Ghosh. Here I used to show you how to draw with acrylic paints. Sometimes I used to show how to sketch with pencils. So here I am going to show you how to make a very wonderful portrait of a woman holding one diya on her hand, and step by step I will explain you all the process how to do it. I always start with the background first. Here I have given one layer of background to show the shape of the head, and after that I have started working on the face as well as on the neck. On face I have applied 3 layers, and the full painting I have used only 4 colors, and they are black 02, white 27, crimson 01, and lemon yellow 11. So these are the 4 colors which I have used on the whole painting. Other than that I haven't used any single shade on it. So let's see how the portrait will look. I'm so excited. I also don't have the concept how it will look like, but I'm trying my level best to give the best expression. Expressions like her smile and eyes are very expressive. So I decided I will work on it few minutes later. I am letting the first layer to dry cause already I have spoiled the pure portrait so much. I also give 2 rounds of coating on fingers too, cause fingers have some folds which has darkest value on them. So I gave the first 2 layers with dark and light shades. After that I have started with the border of the sari. It must not be red in color cause the blouse is going to be the red in color, proper crimson red will be that. I have used a little bit of white with red so that it will get a faded red look, a pink look you can say. Okay, and some folds and some places I have used red in color to show the folding and darkest area on the border. The narrowest space I am filling with a small size brush, and the widest area I have used a white flat brush so that I can easily cover up the whole area. For lips I have applied 2 colors, red and white. The lightest area as a reflection of light I have used white, and the darkest shade I have used raw red to show the separation. For eyes I am using a round brush of a small size 0. I don't have the 000 brush right now with me, so I am not able to do the finest work with it. So I am using the 0 only, 0 brush, and with the help of that brush only I shaded the eyebrows. Next, the combination of black and white for showing the mascara as well as eyeshadows. I have used the combination of red, black and white. I tried my level best to get the tone as per the reference picture, and the shadow I have given there is a combination of black, white and red, cause the reflection of the sari, the red border is also on the face, so little bit of reddish shadow should be on the face. After finishing the eyes portion, I thought I should give her a cat eye look, so I changed the color of the eyes with a mixture of white and black so that her eyes look more bright. If you like this eyes, then please comment me. If you don't like, you like black eyes, then that also please comment me and let me know which eyes you look much better. Next time I will work on that type of eyes only. Okay. On my last video, so many of my friends comment me that they would like to know or learn from me, but they are not specifying what are their problematic areas or actually what shading or what areas setting they wanted to know. Then it is so difficult for me to know that actually what type of video and what type of tutorial they are looking for. So please comment me that where is your problematic area, what type of videos you are looking for. If it is possible for me, definitely I'm gonna share with you. So let me know, comment me. I feel good also answering the questions, and if my little bit of help can improve your art, then that will be my success. I believe in this formula. So let me know which type of videos or which type of shading or tutorial you are looking for. Here I have given the black tone, but it has some reflections of the white saree as well as the light on top of her head. So I have used a little bit of white. While I am using the white on her hair, I keep my brush as dry as possible so that each and every bristles of the brush should come up individually to show the hairlines. Okay, are you getting my point? If you keep your brush dry and then you give the strokes, each and every bristles will work as the hairlines of each and every individual hairs. For ornaments, I have used the combination of white and yellow, and I am giving this ornament at the very last because it should not get mingled with the previous layers. Actually, I have completed this portrait in 3 days. I let the portrait dry very well, and after that I used to give the second layer. Also, the design of the sari, it was very difficult for me because so detailing work was there, but by the grace of God and you guys instructions, I could have managed it. I have learned a lot from YouTube. I have learned a lot from my admirers. I have learned a lot from my students also, because they are asking questions while I'm going to answer them. I'm watching 2 or 3 more videos. So really, YouTube helped me a lot to improve my artwork. If you want to see the difference of my artworks in 1 year or 2 years, then let me know. I will come up with my old paintings or sketchings that with the new one, so that you can understand the rate of my improvement easily, and you can comment me that if you want that type of videos. Okay, I'm waiting for your comments. So once again, নববর্ষের হার্দিক শুভেচ্ছা। সবাইকার নববর্ষ খুব খুব ভালো হোক। Each and everyone should be healthy and stay safe. Bless you. Okay, so this is all about today's tutorial. If you like this tutorial, then give a like to my video too and share it if you want that others to watch it, and subscribe my channels for more videos from me. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice time. Bye.